Hi, I'm Chad with Ridgid. I'm going to take a few minutes to introduce you to our K3800 drain cleaning machine. The Ridgid K3800 drum machine is a very versatile machine, capable of cleaning 3/4 inch through 4 inch indoor drain lines, including but not limited to sink lines, floor drains, and roof vents. The K3800 is a small drum machine, yet a powerful drum machine. This unit is directly driven by a 175 watt universal motor. The K3800 is a machine that's easy to transport. With the use of the drum quick release feature, you can easily separate the drum from the frame and carry this machine directly to your site of work. The K3800 is capable of pushing up to 100 feet of 3/8 inch cable, recommended for 1.5 to 3 inch drain lines. Additionally, the K3800 is capable of pushing up to 90 feet of 1/2 inch cable, recommended for your 2 inch to 4 inch drain lines. With the K3800, there is an optional sink drum that's available. With the sink drum, you can push up to 50 feet of 5/16 or 1/4 inch cable, ideal for all your 3/4 inch to 1.5 inch sink traps. For more information on the K3800 or any other Ridgid products, please visit Ridgid.com. Thank you.